This is Brian doing the cinnamon challenge. Alright, Weenie. Hurry up. 60 seconds, nigga. You better drink that. Come on. Drink it already. Oh, you're cool. You know you wanna laugh. You know you wanna laugh. Just spit it out already. Wow, 60 seconds. He did it. Wow.